Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Bashir. Today I will told you how to earn, how to learn from all over the world. Today I will told you the very special video about the kids video. Kids video is very trending video in all over the world. Almost every man, every people can earn from that video. Kids video is a very famous video. You can learn in your experience. You can earn in your experience. It is a very attractive video. All over the world using. It is a very simple. It is a very attractive. You can earn from that video. This video is very important because it is a trending subject of our all over the world. Because you can earn from mobile, no laptop, no other sources, no gadgets, no things. It is a mobile. You can learn from it. It is a very simple process. You can adopt the process and you can easily earn and learn everything on your money. And let's start our video from mobile. Let's start from mobile. First option, that is we will go to Canva. Canva, you should, if you not download the Canva, you should go first Play Store and right now the type Canva. Upload the Canva app and then you will go click Canva. After that, open the Canva app. You should go to video option and click on video. After clicking the video, there will be open and Canva auto save your design. The inbox will be open. After clicking the video, the box will be open with show. Then after that you should click on text button and you should add a heading. After that, for example, you will write on that of your option type A for apple. For example, let us start A for apple. I type the A for apple. Then after type the A for apple, I will go to A for apple. Then after that, I will type the gallery for picking the picture of apple. Then I will place on that box. Let's start. Let's write apple animated. I will type apple animated. After typing the apple animated, it will be search. Apples is searching. There will be more graphic design of apple, more options of apples, which pictures are clear from that apple animated box. After clicking the apple animated box, I will choose one apple and paste on it on the box. A for apple, I will paste on it. I will set on it. After setting the apple, I will make a color of your choice. Red, blue, white, gray, anything you will add your color of your choice. This is a very unique content. A for apple. It is a world class for your child. Your child will learn on that. A for apple. This is a very important subject. This is a very important. A for apple. It is a beginning. It is a beginning for a child. Example: A for apple, B for bat, C for cat. You can type step by step, and you will learn your children. A for apple, B for bat. I will type B for example, B for bat. It is a very unique content. It is a very different thing. It is a very important subject for everyone. Everyone know. Everyone teach your children at home. You should not go to tuition. You should not go to any academy. You should learn your children at home. A for apple, B for bird, C for cat. I will type ball example bat animated, and I will pick a picture of bat. B for bat. I will pick a picture B for bat and paste on it B for bat, I will paste on B for bat, B for ball. Anything you can learn, you can type A for apple. Example, your children learn A for apple. This is a very important content. This is a unique content. Two eyes apple. A B for bat. Wow, it is a very typical. It is a very important subject. Your children. Now I will learn you in my next video step by step. You will save it. You will learn your children and upload. Then uploaded your new video will be uploaded on every and will be viral and will be surrounding all over the world and will be uploaded. So I will teach everything on my next video. For that time I will sort your permission. So thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe it, like it, viewed it. Thank you so much. We will meet next time.